for another video. This is your Gangster 10 Winner Plus. We are back for another video. Today in that beautiful house, beautiful mansion, we're gonna do what we call a finishing drywall in the garage. If you want to use your area, guys, I think that's the best idea, just to finish your garage. There's some part we have some existing drywall and taping, molding has been done, but not finishing. So we're gonna add that, do some mold taping, and then send that, get it ready for paint. That's what we're gonna do, and we're gonna challenge ourselves to do that in 2 days. I know it's not easy. We're gonna keep pushing. As you know, our goal is to make your dream come true. Whatever you guys think, if you dream it, you can make it. The team is ready for that. Let's stay tuned. Let's watch that together, guys. If we see anything wrong on this video, please let us know in the comment, and if you will do it differently, I would like to know how and learn from you as well. And thank you for being part of that beautiful growing family. And if you're in Ontario, Ottawa area, don't forget to give us a call. After all that beautiful finish tipping, customer decide to paint it itself. And guess what? When I asked them what they're gonna put inside, I was thinking they're gonna put a nice car, but no, they're gonna do a game room. Game room, baby. Alright guys, that was it for today. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll definitely catch you next week for a brand new video. And if you're not part of the beautiful family, I welcome you today. Just come and help us not only grow this family but also learn from you as well by comment, and we'll catch you later. Bye.